Previously
Criminal
at
Act number
NACM
7,
48.
any person, whether Filipino or foreigner, who knowingly allows the use, adoption, or implementation of plans, designs, or specifications made by any person, firm, partnership, or company not duly licensed to engage in the practice of architecture. Example, as illustrated, tatlo naman yung personalidad. Si owner, si contractor, at si student. Si owner, tsaka si contractor, nag-partner sa isang business. At ang kanilang business, design, build, and sell. Malaki raw kasi ang kita sa design, build, and sell. Ngayon, si owner, kukuha lamang ng larawan from the internet. Maybe sa Pinterest, sa Instagram, or sa Facebook, ibibigay niya ito sa isang estudyante. Ipapadraft niya. Ngayon, pagka-draft ng estudyante, kukunin ngayon ni owner, pagpapartneran nila ni contractor, magtatayo na sila ng kanilang bahay, na kanilang ibebenta. In such situation, ladies and gentlemen, the contractor and the owner are liable for the 7th Criminal Act and